Ikaw na nilulungan.
Tumahimik ka, Ortiz. Tumahimik ka. Ay, my back.
Sorry. Wala kanina daw.
Ha, nakakatawa. Mo sa tae.
Amura ko ang pearl.
Sa kuwan, mana. Sa milk sago, mana.
Last second.
Wala, ang daming kambing.
I guess we're going to explore the natures of this land.
Uwi mo. Kaya wala mo dyan, nagpa-enroll. Thank you. Singod langit. Napaka-uwi mo talaga, Log. So, hi guys. So, namin diri sa TESDA. Narang pa iya, stress na.
Hi guys.
Kasi mong maingon.
Maingon ako dapat mapakan ni Kevin Payo.
Dili.
Kapoy na guys.
So, next is...
We're going to?
Dili, flat tab kita.
We're going to measure the flat.
For how many?
4 flat.
So, this is the owner. He is very stressed na. Like, hindi na niya alam anong gagawin. Ando na mga princess. Okay. Andito po tayo ngayon sa TESDA compound in Sir Delta Norte State University. Mainit campus. Ay, Tagalog pala. Sorry.
Universidad ng Surigao.
Basta school. Skulahan. Paaralan. If you were a livestock, what are you? If you were. Yes. If you were a livestock, what are you?
Chicken.
Chicken. And why?
I don't know. I'm
What are the things to be considered so you can be called a gay?